Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a virtual environment for Python in Visual Studio Code, step by step. First, create a folder where you'll build your Python project. You can do this directly in your File Explorer or inside VS Code. If you're not sure how to create a folder in VS Code, check out this video. The link is in the description. Once your folder is ready, open it in Visual Studio Code. Inside your project folder, create a Python file. I'll name mine main.py, but you can name it anything you like. Let's write a simple Hello World program. Print Hello World. Now, run this code using the Run Code button or the terminal. You should see Hello World printed in the terminal. Now, let's create the virtual environment. Open a new terminal in VS Code. Then type the following command: python mvenv.venv. Hit enter. VS Code will show a notification asking if you want to select the new environment. Click yes. You'll now see a folder named .venv appear in your project. This is your virtual environment. To activate it, run this command in the terminal. On Windows, .venv /scripts /activate. On macOS or Linux, source.venv/bin/activate. After pressing enter, you'll notice the terminal path changes and now starts with .venv. That means your virtual environment is activated successfully. Now you can install any Python packages in this isolated environment using pip, and they won't affect your global Python setup. So that's how you set up and activate a virtual environment in VS Code. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.